Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Noor Kids Academy. Today is our 5th class of Adobe Illustrator and today we will learn Pentool. So let's get started. Here is your pen tool. At the bottom of your magic pen tool, the shortcut key of your pen tool is P. You can select your pen tool by using the shortcut key or by clicking on its icon. When you select your pen tool, here you can see that your mouse cursor is changed to a pen icon, which indicates that your pen tool is selected. You can make many things with the help of pen tool, like designs, logos. You can make many more shapes with the help of pen tool. So pen tool can make open path and close path. First of all, let's talk about what is open path and what is close path. Let's make an open path with the help of pen tool. Click, and here you can see a line which is attached to my cursor. This line called rubber band, and this rubber band help you that where you can add your next anchor point and in which direction. Okay, click, click, click. When your shape is done, and if you want to leave your pen tool, so how you can leave? Press escape key. So here your open path is ready. Press V for selecting selection tool. So here your open path is ready. This is your open path. Here you can see a gap, and this gap shows that this is an open path. This is not a closed path. Let's make an closed path with the help of pen tool. Select your pen tool. Let's make a square. Click, and if you want to create a straight line, press shift key to create a straight line like this, this, and if you want to close your path, click on your started anchor point. Your shape is ready. This is your closed path, and you can also apply a fill color in it, and this is your shape. Open path is not your shape, but closed path is your shape. Open path is path and closed path is your shape. Okay, you can make straight line, and also you can make curves with the help of pen tool. How you can make straight line? Click, click, click. This is your straight line. Okay, you can also make curves with the help of pen tool. How? Click. When you add another anchor point like this, don't release your mouse. Hold your mouse, and if you want to create the curve at the bottom side, so move your mouse on the top side like this. And if you want to create the curve on the top side, drag your mouse at the bottom side like this. When you satisfied to your curve, release your mouse clicks. Here you can see your curve is ready. Here you can see two lines. These lines called handles, and these handles are used to adjust your curves. This handle used to adjust your this curve, and this handle used to adjust to upcoming curve. If you want to create one more curve, so you can also make. Here you can see I already have a curve because of this handle. So just click. Here you can see a sharp anchor point. When you need a sharp anchor point, you does not need to drag your mouse. So here my curve is ready. Press escape key to leave your pen tool. Press V to select your selection tool. So here you can resize your this path. Rotate your this path. If you want to adjust the curves, select your direct selection tool. Select individual anchor points, and you can adjust the curves like this, and you can also change the position of your curve. You can make many shapes with the help of pen tool. Let's make a heart. Click. Drag the mouse like this. So as you all know that heart has two sides and they both are same. Here you can see I made my first side and the another side is also same, but if I made the other side with the help of pen tool, so it can't make perfect. So in this case we will make reflection. Why we make reflection? 1 second. Press escape key to leave your pen tool. This is the half part of your heart shape. We need a copy. Press Alt and Shift key to create a copy, and with the reflection to the left side. We need the reflection is to the left side. So how we can do that? Delete this. Select your half part of your heart shape. Right click. Go to transform. Here choose reflect, and here you can see some properties. Here we need a vertical reflection, so we select the second option. Here you can tell it the angle. Make sure that your preview is on, and here don't press OK. Press copy because we need the reflection with the copy. If we do OK, so it will reflect our this shape, but we need a copy. So select copy option. Okay, then select your selection tool and drag it over here. So here you can see your heart is ready, but this is not shape. This is two parts. See, this is two parts. Okay, if you want to convert the path into a shape, so how you can do that? Here you can see these are not joined, these are two parts. See, these are two parts. If you want to convert in a shape, you should have to join both of them at the bottom side and as well as at the top side. So how you can join it? Before join, you should have to average both of them. Average mean intersect. How you can do that? Select your direct selection tool by pressing A or by clicking on its icon. Select these 2 points, right click. Here is average. Here choose both because we have two paths. Okay, here you can see it is average now. Now select both points, right click and join. See, it is joined. Similarly, we should have to do same process over here. Select your direct selection tool, select both of the point, right click and select average both. Okay, right click, join. So here your heart shape is ready. You can also apply a fill color in it like this. So here your heart shape is ready. You can make more shapes with the help of your pen tool. Let's create a leaf with the help of pen tool. This is my close path and this is also my shape. You can reflect your path as well as your shape. Go to transform, reflect and copy. Here my leaf is ready. In this part I am applying a dark green color, and in this part I am applying a light green color. Let's none the stroke like over here, and our leaf is ready. Let's make something more with the help of pen tool. Let's make a square with the help of rectangle tool. Like this. Select your direct selection tool. Select the bottom points and do it curve like this. Like this. Again select your rectangle tool, make a rectangle over here. Let's apply a fill color in it. This and in it. Let's create 3 copies of this leaf. Rotate it like this. Make sure this is aligned. Your smart guides always guide you. Select these 3 leaves, right click and make it group. Then place it over here. You can create more shapes with the help of pen tool. Let's create a pencil. Like this. Select it, press Alt and Shift key to make a copy and move it over here. Select your direct selection tool by pressing A or by clicking on its icon. Select individual anchor point, select this anchor point and do it one time like this. Like this. Select your pen tool, make a nib of your pencil. Like this. Let's apply a fill color in it, black. Select your direct selection tool and make it curve like this. Apply a fill color in it. A fill color in it, blue. Here, your pencil is ready. You can small it with the help of selection tool. Let's increase the stroke over here, 1. Sorry. Right click, group. Let's make again heart, but now we will use guides. Okay? Guides will help you for alignment. Press Ctrl R to open rulers. This is your vertical guide and this is your horizontal guide. Click and drag. Here you can see a blue line. This is your guide. Okay? Horizontal. This is horizontal guide and this is vertical guide. If you want to delete it, so you can delete, select and delete. If you want to lock your guides, right click, lock. If you want to unlock your guides, right click, unlock. If you want to hide your guides, so you can select hide guides option like this. And if you want to show your guides, so select your show guides option. So here my ruler work is done. If you want to hide it, press again Ctrl R. Lock your guide. Okay, then let's make again heart with the help of pen tool. Press P, click, drag your mouse like this. Sorry, click and drag your mouse like this. Select your selection tool by pressing V or by clicking on its icon. Right click, go to transform, reflect, copy. place it over here like this. Select both of them, close the stroke, zoom in, and here you can see it is already intersect, it is already average. So now if you do average it again, so you cannot see any difference because it is already aligned. So guides will help you in alignment. Select both of the points, go to right click and join. Similarly, select the both points, right click and join. Here your heart shape ready. You can apply a fill color in it over here. See, easy. And if you want to delete your guide, so you can delete, select it. See, it cannot select. Why? Because this is locked. First of all, do it unlock, then select it and delete. There are more tools inside your pen tool like add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool and anchor point tool. Let's talk about add anchor point tool. If you want to adjust your curve over here, but here you can see you don't have an anchor point. Select your direct selection tool. Here is only 3 anchor points, 1, 2 and 3. And if you want to adjust your curve over here on this side, so how you can do that? Here you need an anchor point, and if you want to add an anchor point, select your add anchor point tool. The shortcut key of your add anchor point tool is plus, select it and click. And select your direct selection tool and you can adjust your curves like this. If you want to add more anchor points, so you can also add with the help of add anchor point tool. Select your add anchor point tool and click. Select direct selection tool and adjust it, like this. And if you want to delete your anchor points, so how you can do that? Another tool is delete anchor point tool. The shortcut key of delete anchor point tool is minus, select it and click on your anchor points. Here you can see your anchor points is deleting. It's easy. The another tool is anchor point tool. This is a straight line, and if you want to make a curve on the upside, so how you can make? Select your anchor point tool. The shortcut key of your anchor point tool is Shift C, okay? And drag it on the upside. If you want to curve on the upside, so drag your mouse on the upside, and if you want to make the curve at the bottom side, drag your mouse on the bottom side. So here you can see my curve is ready. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.